Hi, Filmator. Today, we're going to show you how to create an amazing YouTube video workflow using one of Filma's incredible new templates. This fantastic template collection includes layouts for different purposes, such as the opener screen, call to subscribe, and end screens. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, let's open the template, and you'll notice that a scene is already added by default. This is an example of one of the many opener templates available. To explore other templates in this collection, simply tap on Add New Scene. But you know what? We're gonna stick with this one because it's so awesome. Now let's personalize it by changing the background to one that's more relevant to our channel. Just tap on the area displaying the media in the scene item and locate the file you want to use as your background. Next up, let's customize the title by tapping on the top part of the scene item, bringing up the item options for this scene. From here, we can edit the logo and text. Start by adding your own logo through the Edit button, and then change the text to match your channel name. And there you have it. Your very own tailor-made opener is all set and ready to go. Now, let's say you want to add a regular sequence of videos relevant to your content. Simply add a few more scenes, and instead of choosing a template, select Media, then Image and Video. These options are always available, giving you the flexibility to add any video or image at any time. Don't forget that you can edit the transitions between scenes by tapping on the Transitions button. Doing so will give you options to customize your transitions for a more seamless video. As for extra scene options, press and hold on iPhone or iPad or right-click on your Mac. To achieve the perfect cut in your composition, choose Edit Cut, select the start and end points, and watch your scene automatically reflect these changes. Now that we have our opener and 2 videos with smooth transitions, it's time to remind our viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. For this, let's add the Subscribe template, complete with automatic animation and sound. Just be sure to change the background to something suitable, in this case, asking viewers to subscribe. Last but not least, let's wrap up the video with our end screen. Here, we'll showcase our previous and upcoming videos, ask viewers to subscribe once more, and thank them by displaying your profile picture. To personalize this scene, simply tap the top part of the scene item and start editing any element you like. Once everything's perfect, switch the background to something meaningful for your channel, and you're ready to export and publish your masterpiece on YouTube. And just like that, this YouTube kit will save you heaps of time on your daily video editing tasks. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and discovered some cool new ways to utilize Filma's templates. Have fun editing, and we'll see you in the next video.